Hi guys, it's Ahava. Welcome back. We're making one of my favorite weeknight meals tonight, which is olive lemon pasta. Getting started, we're going to use the kettle to boil our water because I hate waiting for things to boil. Our kettle is only 1.5 liters, so it's too small even to fill this small pot and another pot, so we're going to have to do it again. So now we're going to start the stove under the pot that has water in it. When we put the water in the other, we'll start the other pot. And that'll get us ready for starting our pasta. So now we're going to cut our onions and get some butter in a nice pan, because butter makes everything better. Get that butter nice and melty before you add your onions. And now for the garlic, because onion and garlic is the best combination in the world. We're going to stir everything together because it doesn't cook if you don't stir it. Or it does, but it'll just be burnt instead. Our water has now come to a rolling boil, so we're going to add our pastas. This one's gluten-free. The next one is gluten. We use different shapes to make sure that we don't get them confused. Olives. I use green olives. You can use the pre-sliced. We just had some of these open already. For seasoning, we're going to start with Pareve chicken soup mix. It normally is MSG and makes everything delicious. Now we're going to add some pepper. This was a lot. If you don't like spicy, use like half of a tablespoon or even less. Now we got basil and oregano and paprika. We have a whole lemon that I squeezed in. If you have a lemon juicer, that makes this easier. You can also just use preserved lemon in a bottle, like real lemon, which I also use because we like this really nice and sour and tangy. So this is the lemon juice, and then a cup of water. And you just let this cook together until it gets nice and thick. It just makes it stick to the pasta better and also makes the flavor a lot more concentrated. Here I added also some dried chilies. Again, we like our food really spicy. If you don't, I would not suggest this. Yay, the pasta's done. Dinner's almost ready. Since I made the gluten-free pasta in a dairy pan, we don't have a dairy strainer. Over the sink with the lid is the way to go. It was not all the way drained and required a second draining. The gluten pasta was made in a Pareve pan, so it can go in the Pareve strainer. Now we're ready to plate. I made enough for 1 serving for me and 2 servings for my husband, because he eats a lot more than I do. Now's the time to mix the pasta with the sauce. Then we'll top it, and it's ready to eat. We use mozzarella cheese, but you can use no cheese or any cheese you like. Now our plates are topped and I can't wait to dig in. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end. Let me know if you made the pasta and if you enjoyed it, anything else you'd like to see me make in the future, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so you'll know when I post my next video.